Twitch pyramids. On this step, you can do only two things. Enable the pyramids, set the minimum width of the pyramid. Twitch sub-counter. With this step, you can easily create sub-counters or goals to display on your stream. Keep in mind, it only tracks and counts subs while Streamer.Bot is running. To enable it, check this checkbox. If needed, you can set the starting number for the counter. It will be stored in the sub-counter variable. Checking this checkbox will unlock the rollover value. This value determines how far the counter will go before resetting to 0, and it is stored in the rollover variable. Each time a rollover happens, the rollover count variable will increment. If you leave the checkbox unchecked, the counter will simply increment each time someone subscribes. The output file field points to the text file where Streamer.Bot writes the string from the output text field. By default, it points to the subcounter.txt file in the data folder, but this file doesn't exist until you manually create it. So before using this function, make sure to create the file, or the data will be written into the void. You can name the file whatever you want and place it anywhere, just be sure to update the path accordingly. The output text field is where you write the string that you want to be saved in the file. You can use any of the three available variables. You can point your OBS text source to the file produced by the subcounter, and it will update the text each time someone subscribes. Reset subcounter resets the value of subcounter variable. Twitch settings. On this step, you can configure the following settings. First, words. Auto reset cache determines the number of hours Streamer.Bot should be closed before it again counts chat messages from the same user as first words. The reset button forcibly resets this cache. Present viewers. Enabled checkbox determines whether Streamer.Bot should check for present viewers and produce the corresponding event. If disabled, Streamer.Bot will not produce this event for the platform. Live update checkbox controls how the event works. Time slider sets the time variable for this event, and its behavior depends on the state of live update checkbox. If live update is not set, the event will fire every minute. The time slider will set the threshold for how long viewer must be inactive to count as not present. If live update is set, the event will fire at the interval set by the time slider. Each time you adjust the interval, the countdown will restart. Gift bombs. It has a single checkbox to determine whether a gift bomb should also produce gift sub-events. If someone gives 2 or more subs, it's considered a gift bomb, and it will produce a gift bomb event. If the checkbox is unchecked, Streamer.Bot will produce a gift sub-event for each sub in the bomb. If the checkbox is checked, Streamer.Bot will not produce additional gift sub-events. It will only produce the gift bomb event. Stream update. If enabled, each time Streamer.Bot connects to Twitch, it will check your category and check all your actions. Streamer.Bot will grab every action with the stream update trigger, where game only checkbox is checked. If the game set on Twitch matches the one in the trigger, Streamer.Bot will run the corresponding action.